Let me tell you what you can do right now to start preparing for the IC in December, which I highly recommend because vocabulary is a beast. It's a monster. You need to learn so many words, but I'm going to give you a really quick tip to get started on your vocabulary journey. Okay, there are 4 things right off the bat that you need to know. Number 1, prefixes. Number 2, suffixes. Number 3, Latin roots. And number 4, Greek roots. Suffixes and prefixes are pretty easy. You guys have learned this in elementary school, and you can most likely identify most prefixes, although there are some that might give you a little bit of trouble. Like, not really. They're all pretty easy. And let's look at the suffixes. The suffixes are super easy too. So if you just review your prefixes and review your suffixes, which are like a no-brainer. I mean, you already know these, right? Able, ed, en, ing, less, meant, ness. I mean, there might be some that you're a little bit unsure about, but for the most part, super duper easy. I'm not even going to go through the prefixes because prefixes are being learned in kindergarten and first grade, and that's pretty much it. But the Latin roots and the Greek roots, that's a different story. So let's go over some Greek roots that you probably have even said yourself, because a lot of things that you hear in social media really have their base in Greek and Latin roots, like hyper, pseudo, psycho, techno, graph, auto. Those all come from the Greek language. And English is just a melting pot of cultures and words. Here's another Greek word that I know you know, morph. Now, Latin roots are a little different. You have ambi, aqua, odd, bene, cent, circum, contra, dict, duck, duct, fac, form, fort, frac, ject, jud, mal, matter, mit, mort, multi, pater, port, rupt, scribe, script, sect, sent, spec, struct, vid, vis, and voc. Yeah, those are a little bit harder. So anyway, we get our words from these word parts, from Greek and from Latin, and then add to that prefixes and suffixes, and you're going to bank on a lot of vocab, because vocab tests test the fact that you know prefixes, suffixes, Latin, and Greek roots. So if you want some cards, some study cards, I have a great set that I bought on Teachers Pay Teachers, and I will give you the link to it if you just, say you want it in the comments. All right. Get to studying, because vocab is a monster, and you don't want to wait till the last minute to learn a bunch of words. And I mean hundreds and hundreds of words. Okay. That's it for me. See you later.